Welcome to Coin Daily, guys, the channel which brings you every day the newest and the hottest tokens on the blockchain. Today we have a special guest named Sneakers Coin. Sneakerscoin.org is their website, and it is a decentralized token focused on revolutionizing sneakers world. And here you have the contract address to buy this token, about us, and more important, what is the project? The project consists in developing a blockchain allowing to trace the path of a sneakers from A to Z. And that is to say, from its production to its sale and even to its resale. This follow-up will be possible thanks to a unique hash code generated by the Sneakers Coin blockchain and assimilated to each pair during its production. The blockchain will use its own cryptocurrency, the Sneakers Coin. So that means sneakers maps the blockchain, and you can follow up every pair of shoes you buy through some shops and whatever, and everyone who registered this pair of shoes. And this is a nice thing, guys. Imagine you buy some sneakers and it shows up that it's not an original, but here with this project it is possible that you always stay on the safe side. Sneakers is a cryptocurrency that will allow guarantee the authenticity of any pair and therefore put an end to the sale purchase commissions that are often high on the exchange platforms. To know the exact number of pairs in circulation and the exact numbers of pairs produced. To put an end to the loss theft of packages well known in the sneakers world. To save time in the process of acquiring or selling a pair by not having to authenticate them. To put an end to the counterfeit fighting of sneakers and to avoid backdoors during the releases. To acquire in the future sneakers in NFT with the purchase of a pair in real, thanks to the code hash assimilated. And this is the roadmap. Creating the project, Q1 21. We are now 22. Develop token sale function on sneakerscoin.org. And if you click this button, you can purchase this token. How to buy our token is such an easy experience. Just follow up this video, guys, and you will see it's more easy than you think. But most of you guys who are already in the crypto scene, they will not have any problems to purchase this token. Steven Deneville is the founder and CEO. Sally Howard is CTO. And for sure we have here a director, Vasily Como, and accountant Brad Jarrett. You can meet these guys on Instagram, on LinkedIn. So these are some real faces behind a real project. Yes, guys, let me know what you think about Sneakers Meet Blockchain. Is it a good project? Have some future? What do you think? I think yes. Why not? In future, the blockchain is more important than maybe our Swift money. I hope so. On Instagram, you can follow them. They have already near 10,000 followers. Sneakers Coin off. You can have here more and more information about their forward going. And Sneakers Coin on Twitter with 595 followers, and for sure on Telegram, right now 218 members. And yes guys, Disrupted took community 60% of their token, 18 is funding, 12% marketing and communication campaign. Yes, 12%, it's a good part of it. When I see some tokens with 5%, I think it is too less, because if nobody knows you, you can have the best product. No one knows about your product, and that means no one buys it, right? Founders and team, 8%, 2% advisors. And again, how to buy this token? Easy, just follow this link, this video. And yeah, if you want to contact them, just put your email address inside to have the newest news. Get some newsletter if something happen, if some forward is going on. If you don't want to be on Instagram, Twitter or Telegram, I personally prefer always Telegram. It's easy and it's very fast to share some information. And yes, that's it for now guys. Tell me what you think about this project. What do you think about tracking some pairs of sneakers? I mean, sneakers become very, very important on the market even. I mean, you buy today a sneakers pair for, let's say, $200, and in 2-3 years later you cannot find them under 5,000, right? I mean, we need some security tracker, I want to call them like this, because who knows, there are so many black fishes outside on the market, and they sell you just a pair of garbage or a pair very good made shoes, but they are not the originals. They come from maybe some other countries who are already very professional to copy things and trade it for the real money, for the real brand money. So guys, let me know what you think about sneakerscoin.org. I think throw some money inside. It's never bad to be one of the first. It's more bad to be one of the last and cry as at first, right? Leave me a like and maybe subscribe to this channel if you want to see more projects like this, new projects on the crypto sky. And until next video, I wish you all the best and see you later, alligator. Bye.